Together we have already explored how solar energy is generated and used in space. But did you know that solar energy also plays a role in aviation? When is it particularly efficient? And how can solar airplanes be used here? I will answer these questions and more in this video, so stay tuned and enjoy watching. Solar airplanes. Solar energy on the road, solar energy on water. But what about solar energy in the air? It might sound crazy, but besides solar cars and solar boats, solar planes have been developed as well. They are also equipped with an electric motor whose primary energy source is solar power generated by installed solar cells on the aircraft surface. Batteries are also included for power during periods with less sunlight or power shortages, preventing crashes and allowing for the storage of excess solar energy. Due to their limited energy capacity and significantly lower efficiency compared to other fuels, solar planes can often only be used for short flights. Therefore, they are mainly used for exploring natural areas or environmental monitoring missions. They are also ideal for high-altitude flights, where the intensity of sunlight is greater, increasing efficiency and extending flight duration. While solar-powered passenger planes are still far from being a reality, two Swiss researchers, Bertrand Piccard and André Borschberg, achieved an incredible milestone in sustainable aviation almost 10 years ago. On March 9, 2015, they officially inaugurated their solar plane, Solar Impulse 2, embarking on a historic world journey. Over more than a year, they circumnavigated the globe, covering over 40,000 kilometers in 17 stages. For propulsion, the aircraft used only solar energy generated directly or stored in batteries. With a clear vision and readiness to push mental and physical limits, the two pilots also set multiple flight records. Up and landing in Abu Dhabi on July 26, 2016, they were celebrated by scientists and project supporters and became a main topic in international media. With this project, they inspired other scientists and demonstrated that aviation too could become much more sustainable with renewable energies like solar energy. Apart from passenger planes, where else and how do you think solar-powered airplanes can be effectively used? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, also make sure to check out our last one, where I explain how solar-powered cars work. And don't miss out on our educational movie on 10 fascinating solar technologies to explore the innovative ways solar energy is shaping the energy transition as one of its key players. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.